Okay, look at my girlfriend. Right now, okay? Okay. Okay, guys, I'm very sorry, right? My girlfriend, she was very busy. She's like this. For the food, right?
Oh,
To be happy here, right?
okay. So we will try the food.
Yeah, okay.
The food. Oh,
I think the food is very delicious for you, right?
yes, I can try.
Hey, chef, yeah.
Oh, it's delicious, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So, let's be out, okay?
Cheers.
Oh, this is my country. Okay.
Vietnam is good than your
Why is it how you can because I'm sweating so much.
Okay. I don't know, right? Because this time is summer, right?
So the rental is not cost all that.
No, we have some months.
Oh, per month. Oh, so okay.
There.
Okay. Waiter.
Hey, how much is
How much is it?
480.
Oh, so I don't know money of house, but I have money of Australia. I'm trying to give the money for you pay for the rental.